Now, we're up here on Mount Buckhorn, and it's a fairly cold day today. We've got a lot of little sparrows, chickadees down here, and there's a little bit of a fluttering going on here. Chickadees. It's a very cold day, and it's just a good thing that they got something to eat. But basically, they like the feeders, so they can get something to eat. That's a little song sparrow right there. There's one too. He's got a little bit of a red on his neck, on his head. But I really like to see these little guys and girls here. They're pretty cute. They're having a lot of fun. It's like a social. They're all down there hanging out. All of the same kind. And probably they like that. Because what else is there to do on a cold winter day? To get something to eat. Go see what your fellow bird is doing by hanging out over at the feeder. Usually, if there's a bunch of birds around, it actually attracts even more. As long as the food is there. And I guess once the food's gone, well, you gotta go somewhere else to find it. But it's a lot of enjoyment to feed the birds. They usually come back every year. These have probably been coming around here for years, the same family of birds. So signing off, this is the Woodsman, as I say, up on Mount Buckhorn on a cold day, winter day.